Correct.
So let me show you how to feed it.
Show me how you feed them.
Look like this.
Right.
No, let me show you how to feed it.
Martin, let her do it.
Have a roller coaster ride.
You want to go to the roller coaster ride? Good job, Amy. Good job, girl.
You go at the roller coaster ride. You ride with me.
Of course. If you're tall enough, we'll do it. Come here, Martin. Those are beautiful. Are they goats, Amy, or sheep? I think they're goats. Good job, Amy. I know. I know. Because they taste food on your hands. Amy, you really love animals so much, don't you? Amy, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A veterinarian.
Good job, Amy.